many ways can I say, man, damn it, let's toast. I ain't gotta brag, ain't gotta boast. I ain't made it yet, but damn it, I'm close. And everybody knows I'm going the most. Accept no invitation. I'm inspiration. I'm elevation.
I be so mountain high, I feel an elevated. Fuck it, I could touch the sky. Riding this escalator, way to reach my destination. Never hesitating, even when I'm haters keep on hating. I'm the life of the party.
What's up, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. This is Skylyfe Projects. Hope you all are doing good and staying super blessed. Well, today is a Monday. I think it's actually 7 p.m. So as you can see, the sun is just momentarily about to come down. So yeah, hope everybody's doing good. Got another video for you guys, and if you could tell by the title of the video, this is actually my new sponsor. So I will throw their link up during this video. I will also put it in the description. It is by LASFIT, and yeah, you guys, this is my second sponsor for the channel. My first one is with Auto This World Detailing Ceramic Pro, and now LASFIT. So this is a growing channel, and that's what we're here for, to continue to grow, right? Before we start this video, please like, please subscribe, hit that notification bell so you'll always be alerted for future uploads like this. And this is Skylyfe Projects. Hope you guys like the new tee, like the new shirt. Shout out to Tuner Horde. I'll throw them up right here. And yeah, I think I got like 2 shirts from them, so probably gonna be ordering more in the future. It is very high quality. As you guys can see, it's got the Type R right there, you know, with the stock wheels, of course. Can't have my Type R, but you get the gist of it. Alright, you guys, let's get this video started. Alright, you guys, see me? Okay. So this is the first package from LASFIT, and I'm sure you guys can probably guess what they are. LASFIT specializes in automotive LED lighting, like bright HIDs, LED lighting for your headlights, your tail lights, your fog lights, your high beams, your low beams, etc. But they also, you know, do the floor mats, right? And that's what we got here today. Keep in mind, this is first sponsored product from LASFIT. I didn't pay anything. I didn't even pay shipping. LASFIT, excuse me, took care of all of this. So shout out to them. This is beautiful. And let's see what we got inside. Hold up, Bill. Alright, everybody. So before we do this open boxing, I got some helpful and really looks like great information here from LASFIT about these floor mats. Now, I imagine when I review like the headlights, the tail lights, and stuff like that, they you know, they'll probably give me a description too. But here it says, at LASFIT, you'll be surprised by how they fit. We use the advanced 3D laser scanning equipment to measure the accurate dimensions and the precision contour of the Honda Civic, which will guarantee the maximum protection for the carpet. You'll get a safe driving experience. It has comfortable feeling for the feet. The groove on the surface ensures that your feet will not slip at all when resting on the accelerator pedal or when your shoes are wet. You'll also find it easier to keep your car clean than ever before, right? It then states, our floor mats fit really snug into your Tesla or Honda Civic or any other vehicle, so nothing gets stuck behind the floor mats, which leads to less cleaning. The raised lip and groove save your carpet from mud and water. LASFIT doesn't take nearly enough effort to clean. Just rinse it with water and then dry it with the cloth to keep it clean. Modern design, and they came in compact and protective packaging. So this is all right here, you guys, from LASFIT. I've been speaking to Rebecca, so Rebecca, thank you so much for sending out this product. Thank you for sponsoring me as well. I'm glad you enjoy the channel. I'm glad you enjoy the content, and let's continue to grow together. All right, y'all, enough talk, enough speech, enough reading. Let's get this video started with the open boxing. Alright guys, here we go. LASFIT floor mats. Just gonna get on the ground here. And, really hot out right now. It's kind of humid actually today. You see, but alright, here we go. It's actually pretty easy. Nice. You guys can see it. LASFIT, just so you know it's authentic. There's nothing fake here. Has LASFIT liners. Here's your manual. Put this up close. Alright, LASFIT, there we go. Let's see what this one looks like. Okay, they got, as they were saying, nice grooves and everything. Definitely feels spill proof compared to the ones I have now. Those even said they're spill proof, but these are just, looks like they're on another level here. Alright, so that's one. I imagine this is, yeah, this is the rear. Nice. Yeah, look at that. See this right here? This will protect it from not slipping everywhere. And obviously, everything is spill proof. Let's try, looks like this is the middle one, just like I have in the R now. Goes over like that, right? Alright. Then, okay, this is the driver's side, right? Here's the pedal, okay, the dead pedal, whatever you call it. Alright, let me know what you guys think in the comments. Trying to get it really there focused. Here we go. Okay, those look nice. This is another rear. Right. Nice. Alright. So now we're just going to install them into the Type R. So gonna have to take the old ones out. See, I'm gonna let you guys actually decide which ones you guys like better, and based off that feedback, I'm gonna leave the floor mats in the car. Okay. So do you like the ones from Metsky or Matsky, I think is what it's called, ones I got off Amazon, or would you like the ones, brand new ones, LASFIT? You guys let me know after this video, and we'll go from there. Alright, much love and blessings guys. I'll be back in a sec. Let's go. Alright you guys, so got the floor mats right here in this nice bag, and what we're gonna do, this is the passenger side right here. Okay, so we're just gonna keep these organized. We're gonna put it over here for a sec. Okay, that's the passenger side. This is definitely gonna be the driver's side. There's the dead pedal, nice grip, waterproof. See the back, the grooves. Okay, so that's the driver's side. We're gonna put that over here. Alright, next one, this is the rear. Obviously it doesn't matter which side it goes on, right? And then we have the second rear. Okay, over there. And then we have what looks to be the middle piece. So, right there. Alright. Alright guys, so the first thing I'm going to do is take out the floor mats that are already in here by Matsky, which I got off Amazon. And they just have a little Velcro right here. Okay, obviously there's some dirt there. Take that off real quick. Alright. It's off. A little dirty. a nice floor mat though, let me tell you. I love it. But shout out to LASFIT. Probably should have vacuumed this, but I'll do that in a little bit. This is the driver's side right here. Okay, you guys can see it. There we go. So it's just gonna literally come into here like so. Oh yeah. It's a nice snug fit for sure. Fit it has here. Okay. Right there. So that's what it looks like now. Obviously it's a very, very good fit. It still needs to cure because it's obviously been in packaging, but you get the idea on that one, right? Okay, let's go to the next one. All right. So now for the next one. Go to this for a sec. Comes off like so. Again, should have vacuumed, but there's the other one. It's definitely a difference in quality of material here. LASFIT seems to be a lot more high quality. So this is the passenger side, goes in like so, and looks like it just hangs right there like that. I guess that it has to have time to cure, so maybe I gotta like give it time here, but yeah, you guys can see it. Bring the camera up here. All right, there it is. Now for the back. All right, here we go. Let's bring it over here, actually. All right. So this one just comes up like so. Yeah, I really need to vacuum this though, that's for sure. I apologize about how dirty it is under these floor mats. But as you can see, floor mats are used to trap a lot of stuff from my kids. Here's the new one. Put it in like so. And then just literally a laser cut to fit. I really like them. Look at that. I actually like them a lot, to be honest with you. Okay, bring it over here for the other side. It's my Vivint going off. This is the little Vivint chime. So coming right here, trying to get it to focus. There we go. Next time I'm gonna vacuum first because my kids make, as you guys can see, a big mess. Okay, make a big mess. Yes, that one is out. It is super hot out here. Oh my god, man. Okay, then this fits in like so. Okay. Wow, look how this one fit really well. Look at that. You guys can see it. Nice. Okay, let's just put that middle piece on real quick. Let me take that other one off. Coming around on the other side. put that for a sec. And this is the back. That's the front. And voila. Actually, I think these are supposed to clip under here, huh? Yeah, there we go. Sorry about that, guys. Okay, so this goes under there. Under the... There we go. Now it's right. There we go. Boom. Now, I don't know if you guys noticed that, but look in the rear. All that dirt and dust is covered, just like I was saying from LASFIT in their description about their product. It literally covers the entire interior from front to back. So that's why it looks like it's clean, but obviously it is not clean. So yeah. All right, I'll be back with you guys in just a moment. Alright everyone, that's gonna do it for this video. If you did enjoy the video, please smash that like button, hit that notification bell so you'll always be alerted for future uploads like this. This is Skylyfe Projects. These are my old mats. Yup. LASFIT is installed in my Type R. Thank you so much, LASFIT, for sponsoring this video. Appreciate the sponsorship as well. You guys, I am officially sponsored now with Auto This World Detailing and LASFIT Lighting and Liners. So, expect more products to come up in the near future on future videos. And you guys, in the comments, please let me know, which floor mats did you like better? Did you like the Matsky old ones that I used to have and ran for quite a bit of time, or do you like the brand new LASFIT that is installed in the Type R? Personally, my choice is going to be LASFIT, but I want you guys to let me know what you think in the comments, and we'll go from there. Alright guys, much love and blessings, and yeah, until next video. Alright y'all, bye bye.